So, number two, question is, quiz number three, discuss how an air compressor works. So, as I understand the air compressor, how it works, it is usually it works by the use of piston piston or vane, as the air enters the mechanism. The piston or the vane compress the air, uh, that 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 affects the increase of pressure and decreasing of the volume. So that may apply the that may apply the principles in our subject thermodynamics. So when the manufacturer or the operator increases the increases the capacity of the air entering the mechanism, uh, when they know it is full, they will shut down the mechanism, and they will shut down the mechanism to avoid more air to enter the mechanism. Now, then when they use it, they will some compressed air release to the mechanism to pump or to be used, something like that. When the air flows outside, the manufacturer or the operator will switch again the air compressor to sunk more to sunk air again, and it repeats the cycle. So number two is, uh, discuss the different parts of an air compressor and each function. So so first is the compressor pump rather. So in this part of the air compressor, from the root itself pump. So this part of the air compressor pumps or compresses the air, compresses the air, and after they compress the air, it discharge into the receiver. So that that's compressor pump works. So next is the motor. Uh, as we know, air compressor doesn't work without motor. So this motor is electrically operated. Usually, it works with a pulley or something like that belt to be functional. So number three is the tank. So in this tank, this is from the word itself tank. So it is a container wherein it contains air. So next, pressure switch. So in this part of the air compressor, uh, it uh, it switch on off the the air compressor when it is full or something like that, to when it reach the limit, it will automatically shut off. Drain valve. So drain valve. So drain valve. It is used uh, drain oil, something, drain oil, drain dirt that that is stuck in the in the in the in the mechanism of our air compressor. So next is the pressure gauge. In this part of the air compressor, it is wait. I have so this is an example of air compressor. So as you can see, it has a scale there. Yan. So it is the pressure are specified here when it reach the limit of the air or it down. So next tayo. Next uh so that ends the parts of the air compressor.